I want to share with you 5 things that you need to know before you start digital marketing or any business. Number one, you need to have a high in demand product. That product needs to be something that you researched and people are looking for that product because it's solving a problem. That is the best way to start a business. Once you find a product that solves a solution, then people are going to be looking for you and what you have. The second thing you need to do is build your brand. Your brand is what people are going to remember you by. When they see your name, they're going to know exactly what you are promoting, just like Nike. You hear Nike, you know exactly who that is. You say just do it, or you see the swoosh, you don't even have to say Nike, you already know who it is. That's branding. Number three, you need to have some type of automations. Once people like what you're talking about, they may not buy it right away. So you need to have some type of automation so that they don't forget you and what you have to offer. A lot of times we don't buy anything right away. We take our time, like, hey, we're going to come back after we get paid, or I'm going to come back when I get, myself together. There's always a reason why people may not buy immediately. So you have to keep showing up and being consistent so that they will know that you are available for when they are ready to purchase. So if you have an email automation, you can send an email to them to remind them, hey, I have this product, this can do this for you, this is something that you're looking for, or here's a discount to the product that I have, so that they can want to buy it. And then you want to have some other type of automations like your content. If you do videos, if you go live, but do it consistently. Because if you show up just once or twice, then they're not going to know you, they're not going to like you, they're not going to trust you, and they're not going to trust that that product or whatever they had is going to be there for them because you stopped showing up. So the more you show up, the more they're going to trust you, the more they're going to be like, okay, I keep seeing this over and over again. It has to be good. So that's why you have to keep showing up. I have people that have come in and they've been watching me for months and they finally purchased. Matter of fact, a year. Somebody came back and purchased. They've been watching all that time. So you have to keep showing up. A lot of times people stop showing up because they don't see results quickly. This is not a get quick rich. This is not a race. You have to take your time, build your foundation, and people will come. So that's number three. Number four, you want to have a good mindset. If you don't have a good mindset, you probably won't be successful in anything that you do. You have to know that what you think is what it is. If you think you can do it, you can. If you think you can't, you can't. So that is very important to remember. Even if you feel like giving up, even if you don't see results, even if you're not ready, you have to keep showing up. And number five, the fifth thing that you need to do is to tell other people about what is working. We don't want to gatekeep. We don't want to hold things in and not tell others about it, because if you're being successful with something, you want to share it with other people so they can also be successful. I'm all about paying it forward. To me, it's a way of paying it forward. If I'm seeing results and I can teach you how to do the same thing and we all can be successful together, that's what I want to do, and that's what I want you guys to do too. So that's the fifth thing that you need to do, is to share the information that you're learning so others can do it too. So those are the 5 things that you need to be successful in the online space and offline. If you have physical products, you have to have those 5 things regardless. So if you want to know more tips, if you like what I've told you and you want to know more information about anything, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I can't wait to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Love you.